Hello and welcome to the chapter Minerals and Energy Resources, Chapter 3, Class 8 Geography. We all use different kinds of minerals in our day to day lives, and we know what are these minerals. We also know how do they occur and also their chemical composition. So, let us study how do we define minerals. Minerals can be defined as naturally occurring substances which have a chemical compound which are inorganic in nature. They have a defined chemical composition and also structure. They are generally found in all the three forms: the solid, liquid, and also in gaseous nature. The iron ore, bauxite, hematite, mica, salt, potash, coal, petroleum, natural gas are all examples of minerals. We can see here different types of minerals in the image. Let us now study about the properties of the minerals. There are approximately 3,000 minerals existing in the nature. How do we define them? We remember minerals differ from one another because each one is a specific chemical composition and a unique three-dimensional arrangement of atoms within its structure. These differences result in a variety of physical properties, including the mineral's appearance, how do they break, how well they resist, how well they can be scratched, how they can be molded, what kind of smell, taste they can contain, how do we feel when we hold them or touch them. But not all of these properties are equally useful. The physical properties we use to identify minerals are color, streak, luster, and cleavage or fracture, the hardness, the crystal shape, the specific gravity, and also other properties of the minerals. The properties that help geologists identify a mineral in a rock are color, hardness, luster or shine, crystal forms or the hardness, the density, the cleavage, the crystal form, and the hardness are determined primarily by the structure at the atomic level. Color and density are determined primarily by the chemical composition. The classification of minerals. The minerals can be classified into metallic and non-metallic. Once again, we classify metallic minerals into ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous metals, they contain iron. They are example iron ore, manganese. Non-ferrous which do not contain iron are copper, lead, tin, etc. There are also some precious minerals like gold, platinum, silver. Metallic minerals are obtained by extraction. These are very valuable as they provide metals in pure form. Examples of metallic minerals are iron ore, bauxite, hematite, etc. The non-metallic minerals, those minerals which do not contain metals, are called as non-metallic minerals. Example are diamond, mica, salt, potash. The Kohinoor diamond placed on the crown of the England's queen is an example of non-metallic minerals. So, how do we get these minerals? These minerals are available beneath the earth, and the process of obtaining these minerals is through extraction. This process is called as mining. Simply, mining is a process or method of extraction essential mineral ores or geological substances of great value from the rocks and the earth's surface, which can be used for a wide range of purposes. They can be used in industrial applications, in infrastructure, or in homewares. At home, we use different kinds of these elements. Also, in the making of jewels. The process of mining can be classified into open cast mining, shaft mining. Open cast mining is one in which large pits are dug to excavate or to extract the ores lying at the shallow depth. Beneath the surface of the earth, minerals that lie near the surface are also dug out by the process of quarrying. Deep shaft mining, in which deep holes are made to reach the ore lying at very great depth beneath the crust of the earth. These are all the places where different kinds of minerals are available in our country. Bauxite, chromite, copper, gold, iron, etc. The map of India. This is the world distribution of minerals: bauxite, chromium, copper, diamond, gold, iron ore, lead, manganese, nickel, etc. Distribution: Africa, Australia, island groups, India, Asia, Europe, North America, and South America. The extraction of minerals can be further classified into mining, drilling, and quarrying. Mining is further divided into open cast mining and shaft mining. Types of mining: here, the shaft mining, the vertical shaft. This is how the cage is sent in. Very complicated process to extract the minerals from the bottom level. This is open cast mining and the shaft mining. It's a type of underground mining done by the use of mine shaft. A mine shaft is a vertical passageway that gives access to go to the underground mine. Simply like a lift system, it works. The drilling takes place in this way. You can identify the process, and quarrying is the next image. It is not very deep when compared to drilling. So, what are the hazards or the dangers of mining? It is very, very difficult on a person's health. Inhalation of dust created during drilling operation. There is jarring sound, lot of noise from the machines. Poorly designed shots can result in misfires and early ignition, and flying rock. Rock fall or slide can take place that can bury the people inside it. Failure of a hydraulic system. If the system fails in between the process of extraction, then everything gets hampered. Fires from electric gadgets and machines is a serious threat. Fall of the roof and the sides is also another threat. Electric shock or even burns. These all can be very, very hazardous. These are all the images how the dangers can occur through the process of mining. So, how can we reduce the environmental impact of mining? We have discovered some methods in which the mining industry can reduce the environmental impact and make its practices more sustainable and long lasting. Lower impact of mining techniques can be adopted. Reusing of mining waste, the waste can be reused. An equipment which is eco friendly or which does not damage the environment can be used. Rehabilitating the mining sites after the mining is done, definitely the aftermath has to be done and the sites should be taken care, otherwise that will lead to lot of pollution and environmental degradation. Shutting down of illegal mining where it is not allowed, we should shut down. So each one should take an oath and pledge to himself and herself. Lend a hand to save the planet Earth. It's not yours, it's not mine, it is ours. So help to protect the Mother Earth. Save the planet Earth from destruction. Thank you so much.